This is a Spectra IR Plan infrared microphone accessory. Right now it's set up in reflective mode. I have it powered on. There's, you can see the light coming up through there. I can see the light here, and I can see the light here. I cannot really get the light. I can kind of see it through my viewfinders, but I don't know how to set this up so that I can see it. As far as the infrared portion of it, I don't know whether it has something to do with this piece that doesn't seem to be doing anything or modifying anything. But this is all lit up. You can see that. And the adjustment here. It has, I'll go through these again, a Spectra NA058, Stamford, Connecticut. This is a D-Plan, what does that say? 010, I think I just unscrewed that. This is a D-Plan focus, is 0.25. And this one is a focus, NC Span 40. 0.70. Like I said, that's lit up. There's a lamp right there. That's got the part number. That's a 0044-60. Let's see down here. There's another one. But the infrared portion of this, I think, is the back half of it. And this looks to be the power or serial port. And this is just sitting on here, so I'll pop this open. But Nicolette detector type. That gives you a waveform, I guess. Then it's got some refracting and there's a lens there. But I'm not exactly sure how to set this up so it works because I don't think it's got power. I think that's the power, and I don't see anywhere on here where you plug this port. But there is that one. This says FP1 and well, that turns the light off. Then here's the main power. That seems to work. I'll come around here. This part here dims this light. And this appears to be plugged into the power supply. Oh, and it says this says objectives, so maybe this changes the objectives? I'm not sure. There's that. It's also got this part. That was in the other. I thought for a second that was right, but that's a parallel port. Sticking out the side. But that is the unit. Oh, maybe I could show you. These actually come out. That helps. That's the same. And then this one up here. Focus. There we go. That comes out. I wonder if I can get. No, you're not gonna be able to see anything. But that's a unit. That is current as of today. It is the 23rd of March. I'll put a video back up. And thanks.